All right, what is the most expensive pest control mistake that I have ever seen? Well, it was a guy who had to remortgage his paid-off house because he tried to kill termites with Windex for 30 years. You may remember back in 2017 we had those big massive floods, and like when the tunnel got filled up. Well, during that storm, this guy's house down there, the canals filled up, and the bottom foot of his house was flooded. It was a ranch house, and when they came in to do the repairs on it, they discovered that as they were cutting out the drywall, they discovered that there was no 2x4s, no sill plates left on the base of the house. And I'm talking like 2 feet these termites had eaten. Well, he called us to come in and do this termite abatement before they could finish with the program. And he told me that basically the insurance companies had decided that even though the flood caused them to be called out, ultimately, because of the termite damage was far superior, there was far more of it than there was water damage, the insurance company didn't pay for it. So the guy had to remortgage his house that he had paid off in order to cover the damages, over $100,000 in damages to repair his house. When I was talking to the guy, I'm not kidding you, I asked him, I'm like, how did it get this bad? I've been doing termite control in Arizona for years, and I've never seen it get this bad. And he said, well, he didn't really think that it was as big of a problem as it was. He's an old farmer, and he thought that, every time that a termite tube would pop out, he would take Windex, and he would just spray that in the hole, just like that. And then he would take some Scotch tape and tear it off and put it over the hole. I don't know why anybody would think that this is a good way to battle termites, but he did. He never hired a professional to come out, and it was just absolutely crazy. Once they came in, we did the proper treatment, full conventional liquid Termidor treatment on the house, and stopped that problem from ever happening. That was 2017. The guy's still a customer to this day, and we haven't seen termites back there again. So, you need termite control, give us a call. There's nothing I haven't seen when it comes to termites.